With all local supplies polluted and totally inadequate, the council looked further afield to the Cambrian Mountains in Wales. More specifically, the valley of the River Elan and its tributary, the Clairwan. Under the new civic doctrine instilled by Chamberlain, with a confidence fueled by success and demonstrating the ingenuity and energy long evident in Birmingham manufacturers and at last at work on the council, they laid ambitious plans to guarantee the townsfolk a lasting supply of fresh water. They embarked on the gigantic Welsh water scheme that, although not fully implemented until 1904, owes its existence to the late Victorians. They bought 45,000 acres of land in the rugged Cambrian Mountains, including the Elan Valley, which was then dotted with a mixture of small hamlets and large country residences. Once the purchase of the valley and the homes it contained was completed, work began on the construction of 3 huge dams at strategic points along the River Elan. The sections of the valley behind the dams quickly flooded, submerging the homes of its former occupants, creating a mini man-made Atlantis. This little church was built in 1903 on the mountainside overlooking one of the Elan's large reservoirs. Somewhere at the bottom of the reservoir is the old church, which once served the local community. Once operational, the 3 man-made lakes provided Birmingham with all the fresh water it needed. In 1946, work started on a 4th dam to cater for the city's still growing population. The Clairwan Dam, as well as being the newest, is also the largest, at 184 feet high and nearly 1,200 feet long, and creates a quite breathtaking spectacle. The lake that formed behind the new dam increased the overall storage capacity of the reservoirs to a colossal 21,800 million gallons, maintained by the rivers Elan and Clairwan, and by thousands of streams and tiny rivulets that tumble down the mountainside from the drainage area above. Although vast, the reservoirs occupy only a small part of the gathering grounds. The rest are let to tenants, mainly for sheep rearing and forestry. They also provide a picturesque picnic site for visitors. So, in this unlikely and spectacularly rugged terrain, Birmingham found the solution to its problem. This place keeps Birmingham alive. But how on earth does all this water get from here to us? The answer is amazingly simple: by the natural force of gravity. The Foal Tower is where the water starts its journey. The tower is 170 feet above Birmingham, just sufficient to provide the gradient required for gravity to take it the 72 miles across valleys and through hills to the holding reservoirs at Frankley. From here, it passes through various purification processes and is pumped into every Birmingham home. Probably the greatest achievement of the late Victorian Corporation. In 1887, Queen Victoria once again came to Birmingham.